What's up, YouTube? I finally got to my running video of my HPI chem block. I'm here in New York, and again, this hurricane coming or whatever it is, and I want to get this in before it starts raining for the next 3 days. So I'm over here on Long Island, so here we go. Here's my chem blocky. I caught my little blocky. Alright. This car is, let me tell you, this car is so much fun to drive. It is, I'm so happy I got this thing, because it's just awesome. Awesome. There's no words I can explain about this car. I don't like on-road cars either, but I love this car. It's so awesome. But I'll do some run passes. I'll tell you right now, this car got power, it's got speed. Woo! Can't see me! By the way, I'm running a 3-cell 11-volt battery, 4400 milliamp, 40C Sky LiPo. Yeah, it's getting a little windy over here. It's a little breezy. We're gonna get out to 60, 65 mile-an-hour winds. Whoa, spin out. I'm telling you, this car is so much fun. That's water. Damn bumps, I hate this street. It's freaking bumpy. Alright. Oh, this is crazy. Well, let me see if I can do a little drifting. This road's a little too tough.
Oh.
That was close.
You almost hit me.
You got in your leg. Quick. Here's my jewelry little right away. You know what? Let's do a little off-road too. You guys want to do a little off-road? Yeah. Alright, my neighbor is not home right now, so we're gonna do a little off-road on his driveway. He's got a little dirt over here. And by the way, this car is waterproof, and I did go right into this puddle before. I don't know if you saw it. Woohoo! Let her spin that camera. This car is just loads of fun, man. Just a little drifting. Well, that's my little run video of my HBI Chem Block. This car is insane. See you later. Peace.